Math word problems made easy with Lucas. Measurement word problems.
Hi friends, it's Lucas. Today we're solving measurement word problems. We'll measure length, time, weight, and volume. The kind of math we use every day. Let's measure and solve together.
Length. How long is it?
Length tells us how long or how tall something is.
We usually measure length using centimeters, meters, or inches.
Example 1. Length problem.
A pencil is 12 centimeters long. A crayon is 8 centimeters long. How much longer is the pencil than the crayon? We subtract. 12 minus 8 equals 4 centimeters. The pencil is 4 centimeters longer.
Time. What time is it?
Time tells us when something happens or how long it lasts. We measure time in minutes and hours.
Example 2. Time problem.
Soccer practice starts at 3 o'clock and ends at 4:30. How long is soccer practice? From 3 to 4 is 1 hour. From 4 to 4:30 is 30 minutes. So practice lasts 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Weight. How heavy is it?
Weight tells us how heavy something is. We use grams and kilograms.
Example 3. Weight problem.
A bag of apples weighs 2 kilograms. A bag of oranges weighs 1 kilogram. How much heavier are the apples? Two minus 1 equals 1 kilogram. The apples are 1 kilogram heavier.
Volume. How much does it hold?
Volume tells us how much liquid something can hold. We measure volume using milliliters and liters.
Example 4. Volume problem.
A bottle holds 500 milliliters of juice. A cup holds 200 milliliters. How much juice is left after filling the cup? $500 minus 200 equals 300 milliliters. There are 300 milliliters left.
Mixed measurement problem.
Let's try a mixed measurement problem. A walk takes 30 minutes in the morning and 25 minutes in the afternoon. How long is the walk in total? $30 plus 25 equals 55 minutes.
great addition.
Your turn. Measurement practice.
Your turn. Pause the video if you need more time. A rope is 15 meters long. You cut off 6 meters. How much is left? Nine meters. A movie starts at 6:15 and ends at 7 p.m. How long is the movie? "45 minutes. A jug holds 1 liter of water. You pour out 300 milliliters. How much is left? "700 milliliters.
Measurement tips.
Read the unit carefully. Decide if you add or subtract. Keep the same unit and take it step by step. Awesome measuring today. Next time, we'll solve data and graph word problems. Like, subscribe, and keep practicing your math. See you soon. Bye.